Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 30 short English sentence for daily routine. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. आपकी उम्र लंबी हो. May you live long. May you live long. पाँव घसीट कर मत चलो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. Drag mean घसीटना. आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't play with the words. Don't play with the words. कान खोल कर सुनो. Listen up. Listen up. मेरी किस्मत ख़राब है. I have a bad luck. I have a bad luck. आपको अब सो जाना चाहिए. You should sleep now. You should sleep now. जितना जल्दी मुमकिन हो सके. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Possible mean मुमकिन. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? ज़्यादा मत सोचो. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. मुझे दिलचस्पी नहीं है. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. क्या आप समझते हो? Do you understand? Do you understand? अपनी हदूद में रहो. Stay in your limit. Stay in your limit. मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ. I'm not well. I'm not well. Well mean बेहतर या ठीक. आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I can't wait. इसे अच्छे से देखो. See it carefully. See it carefully. मैं यहाँ नहीं बैठ सकता. I can't sit here. I can't sit here. मैं जल्दी में हूँ. I am in hurry. I am in hurry. मैं थका हुआ हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. ये मुमकिन नहीं है. It's not possible. It's not possible. इधर आना. Come here. Come here. बस थोड़ा सा और. Just a little more. Just a little more. मेरा हाथ थामो. Take me hand. Take me hand. सब अच्छा लग रहा है. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Please like and comment my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.